So, good day everyone. So, we're here to present the topic 3 maintenance records for subject. So, this presentation is prepared by our group Rimas, Rafario, Arona, Villanueva, and Soriano. Our topic focuses on understanding what maintenance records are, why they are important, and how they are help ensure aircraft safety and legal compliance. Throughout this report, we'll discuss the main purpose of key function types and importance of this record based on aviation maintenance standards under FAR Part 43 and FAR 91.470. This regulation makes maintenance records a crucial part of keeping every aircraft safe and airworthy. Next slide. To begin, maintenance records are the official logs of every inspection, repair, and maintenance performed in aircraft. These Think of them as a medical history of the aircraft. They show what has been done, when it is done, and by whom. Under Federal Aviation Regulation or FAR Part 43 and 91.417, keeping this record is a legal requirement. They serve as proof that an aircraft is safe, legal, and airworthy. Without these logs, there's no way to verify if the aircraft meets the safety standards or if it's fit to fly in simple terms. Maintenance records keep the aircraft's condition transparent, helping mechanics, owners, and regulators ensure the safe remains in top shape. The safe aircraft ah, regulator ensure the aircraft remains in top shape. Next slide. The main purpose of aircraft maintenance record is to prove airworthiness. They show that the aircraft complies with all safety and regulatory standards before it allows to fly. These records also ensure that maintenance is done properly and on schedule. Other purpose is to show legal compliance, meaning the owner or operator can prove they followed FAA or Aviation Authority requirements. Finally, maintenance record ensures safety and proper tracking by keeping a detailed record of inspections and repair. This prevents any overlooked issues that could lead to accidents overall. These records give both the mechanic and owner confidence that the aircraft is maintained to the highest safety standards. Next slide. So the key functions is maintenance records serve several important functions. First, they act as proof of airworthiness, confirming that the aircraft meets safety and operational standards. Second, they serve as a legal and safety documentation, so in case of audits or accidents, they can be reviewed to determine compliance and accountability. Third, they function as a maintenance reference, helping future mechanics understand what work has already been performed. And lastly, they help with resale of ownership transferred because buyers can review the maintenance history to know the aircraft's condition. In short, these records are essential not just for maintenance tracking, but also for overall management, safety, and value of the aircraft. Next. Types of maintenance record. These are safety types of maintenance record. Each focuses on specific part of system of the aircraft. This includes records of the airframe, engine, rebuild engine, propeller, and rotors. Additionally, there are airworthy tags, which certify that are in proper condition, and airworthiness directive records, which documents compliance with safety directives from aviation authorities. Each type of records provide detailed information about a particular component's maintenance and inspection status. Together, they form a complete history of aircraft upkeep, understanding these type of importance for anyone working in aviation maintenance because missing even one can affect aircraft legal standing and safety. Airframe records. The airframe records cover the main body of structure of the aircraft. It includes details like the total time service, the status of life-limited parts, and documentation of major repairs and inspections. Life-limited parts are components that can only be used for specific number of years or cycles before replacement. By tracking this, mechanics can prevent overuse or failure of critical parts. Overall, the airframe records ensure that the aircraft's physical structure remains safe and within certified limits. It is also one of the most referenced records during maintenance and inspections because it shows the overall history of the aircraft. So the engine records. Each engine in an aircraft has its own separate logbook, known as the engine record. This record documents time in service, all maintenance and inspection performed, and any airworthiness directives that applies to that engine. It's very important because the engine is one of the most complex and safety critical parts of the aircraft. Creating a detailed record allows mechanics to monitor trends, detect issue early, and ensure the engine remains reliable. When aircraft undergo inspection or ownership changes, engine records are closely reviewed since they reflect the aircraft's performance and maintenance quality.
For the rebuilt engine record, a rebuilt engine record applies when an engine is completely overhauled by the manufacturer. After the rebuild, the engine is often considered to have zero time, meaning it's restored to like a new condition. The record must include the date of rebuild, details of any parts replaced or modified, and changes made during the process. This document is essential because it proves that the rebuilt engine meets original factory standard. It also helps track how many hours the rebuilt engine has been in service since the rebuild. Essentially, it ensures that the engine's life cycle and maintenance history remain accurate and up to date. Propeller record. The propeller record is kept separately from the engine logbook because propellers undergo different types of stress and maintenance. This record includes the time in service, details of repairs, alterations, and inspections, and sometimes the balance test results. Maintaining accurate records ensures the propeller blades and hub assembly remain in safe operating condition. Since the propeller converts engine power into thrust, even small defects can affect aircraft performance. That's why mechanics rely on the propeller record to verify that every repair and inspection has been properly documented before flight. Uh, for the rotor record, for helicopters or rotorcraft, a rotor record is used instead of a propeller record. It tracks the time in service, inspections, and airworthiness directive compliance for the rotor system. This record is especially important because the rotor is the main lifting component of a helicopter. Any imbalance or unrecorded maintenance issues could lead to vibration problems or safety risk. By keeping complete rotor records, maintenance teams can ensure the aircraft remains safe and compliant with regulatory requirements. It also helps technicians monitor the wear and tear of rotor blades over time. Airworthy tag. An airworthy tag, also known as parts condition tag, is a certificate issued by a certified repair station. It confirms that a part has been inspected, repaired, or overhauled and is now considered airworthy, meaning it's safe and legal to be installed on an aircraft. These tags are usually attached to components that have been serviced, and they include details such as part numbers, serial numbers, and signatures of the authorized inspector. Airworthy tags play a vital role in ensuring that only approved and reliable parts are used during maintenance, which helps prevent accidents caused by unverified components. AD record. The AD record or Airworthiness Directive record lists all compliance with safety directive issues by aviation authorities like the FAA. Each AD record contains the AD number, the method of compliance, the date it was completed, and the technician's signature. These directives are mandatory instructions to fix or inspect certain aircraft parts when safety concerns are discovered. By maintaining a complete AD record, operators can prove that the aircraft meets all safety requirements and has no outstanding issues. This record also helps prevent accidents by ensuring every directive has been properly followed. Record retention. Maintenance records are divided into permanent and temporary categories. Permanent records include total time in service, inspections, ADs, and major repairs. This must be kept for the life of the aircraft. Temporary records such as routine maintenance or minor repairs must be kept for at least 1 year or until replaced with new entries. Keeping records organized and secure is critical. It ensures future maintenance teams have complete data and protects owners and mechanics from legal or safety issues. Record retention is a key part of professional aircraft maintenance management. Importance. Maintenance records are extremely important in aviation. They ensure safe operation by documenting every procedure and inspection. They also prevent maintenance errors since technicians can review past work and avoid repeating mistakes. Another major reason they're important is legal protection. Accurate records protect both the aircraft owner and the mechanic in case of audits or investigations. Most importantly, maintenance records build trust and accountability. They prove that the aircraft is maintained responsibly and is safe to fly in aviation. Safely, begins with proper documentation. Hi, thank you for taking your time to speak with us today. Before we begin, could you please state your name, position, and the company you work for? Had any experiences with aircraft maintenance records?
For our last question, could you please share an inspirational message for the class, especially for students pursuing aviation fields?
John Daryl Ondo, currently working at STS Aviation Group here in Middle East, Dubai base. For my more than 10 years experience in aviation field as an aircraft mechanic, maintenance record is official documents of all repairs, modification, servicing and replacement na ginawa sa aircraft. Dahil dito mas madaling i-track at malaman kung kailan ang next servicing. For example, nagpalit ka ng brake assembly. So, dito mo ma-check kung kailan ulit siya kailangang i-service. Malalaman mo rin dito, halimbawa nagka-problema yung components na ikinabit mo. Malalaman mo dito kung sinong huling gumawa or saan huling maintain yung aeroplano, saan pinalitan yung components. Every replacement of components or repair or modification sa aircraft dapat properly documented at ma-record dito sa maintenance record or safety purposes. For inspiration, need a lot of patience at sipag para makapasok sa aviation industry or aviation field. Dahil as of now, boom ang aviation industry. Kailangan mo mag-gain ng experience sa Pinas at mag-apply dito sa ibang bansa. Mas worth it ang salary dito sa ibang bansa. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your time and experience. We appreciate your contribution to our learnings.